So many voices in one room, all like passionate about moving towards a more sustainable world.
It's really positive and hopeful to see vibrancy and everything blended together as one.
We're committed to working with and for our communities.
Help people to dream bigger.
And that's a big step forward.
Cities are not short of innovation, but often they don't have the connections that will grow new practices and technologies into holistic solutions which can grow with our communities. That's why we created RMIT's Regenerative Futures Challenge. 200 years ago, places like this courtyard where we are were a prison. Now, with the help of regenerative public design and architecture, it's a place for talent, it's a place for coming together, it's a place of learning, including in our Indigenous garden that celebrates and recalls the First Nations foundations of this place.
What we're really trying to do is break out of the idea of a university being one part of an ecology and thinking about it as being a system that allows people to come in, students, learners, professionals, and innovation then is co-created. All of the time it's across an ecosystem.
It's a great advantage to be able to come together with various partners and see what we can create that's going to be of value to society as a whole.
And that then allows us to really address complex systemic challenges, global challenges. So for example, we work on food systems with the Queen Vic market here. Both people who visit the market, use the market, but also the businesses are also figuring out what is the future of food systems.
There's a whole transformation already underway. Part of our agenda with the Regenerative Futures Challenge is to draw on the talent and the technology which is clustered together here to help build cleaner, more inclusive and more innovative solutions for our urban economy. Only last year, this wide street, which is covered with cars now, was the space for our Shared Futures Festival that enabled us to take over the whole street to put regenerative urban parks on these spaces to learn from Indigenous elders, to test out new technology and to celebrate with food and music and the amazing diverse community that we have here in Melbourne. Our plan over time is to transform this whole block at the heart of our shared district. The Regenerative Futures Challenge is a crucial part of our toolkit for developing those collaborative innovations and also connecting them to a growing community.
We need to come together with community, with participants, owners, residents, and of course academics to really collaborate on what type of future works in places like Melbourne.
Working together across the Melbourne Innovation District, the Regenerative Futures Challenge is already having impact on food security, on circular economy startups, on industry experts and vocational students being able to work together in order to make our city economy cleaner, more inclusive and better focused on the future. Thank you for celebrating and taking part with us.